Get ready for some cleaning motivation because we are doing it all today, from laundry to cleaning one of the messiest rooms in the house. Make sure to stay to the end to see the full transformation because you will be surprised with how much I was able to get done today.
But all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck.
Hey guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It is Saturday, which means it's laundry day. And if you guys have missed my laundry routine, I will have that linked down below for you guys. But basically, I tackle all of my laundry in one day. And in the previous clip, you guys also saw what a mess my room looks. So we have a lot to get done today. So by the end of today's video, you guys are definitely going to be motivated to getting some cleaning done around your home. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you enjoy lifestyle and cleaning videos, and let's jump right into it.
Just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again. Cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news.
This video is in partnership with Sips By, which is an online monthly tea subscription. Each box, they will send you a variety of 4 different teas to try out based on a quiz you take when you first sign up. Call me crazy, but I've always loved tea over coffee, so this is a great way to discover different teas. You can receive $5 off with your first box by using my coupon code NIA5. I will have all the details listed below. Yeah, and I never wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof till I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it tomorrow.